Welcome. This video is an introduction to the financial markets. After completing it, you will be able to understand markets in general and financial markets in particular. Also, provide examples of some of the major financial markets. Colloquially speaking, markets are places where stuff get traded, usually for profit. In our day-to-day life, we deal with stuff all the time. We are transacting in bus tickets, groceries, phones, apartments, lease agreements, employment contracts, and many other things. Notice the use of the word transact. That's because we are buyers some of the time and sellers at other times. For example, consider farmers markets where farmers act as sellers to sell agricultural products directly to consumers who are the buyers. In financial markets, we metaphorically gather together to transact in financial instruments. What financial instruments get transacted are covered in the latter part of the course. In our world of finance, the market can be an online marketplace, similar to, say, Amazon in the real world, or an actual physical premise. Some examples of financial markets are stock markets, commodity markets, currency markets, derivative markets, etc. The market where we trade the share or stock of a company is known as a stock exchange, or stock market, or simply a market. All of these terms are used interchangeably, and quite loosely in everyday conversations. Some of the major stock exchanges in the world are New York Stock Exchange, and Nasdaq in the USA, National Stock Exchange in India, London Stock Exchange in the United Kingdom, and so on, as mentioned on the screen. That's all for this video. You have learnt what financial markets are, and have gotten introduced to some of the major exchanges around the globe.